Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can allow your contacts and friends only on Microsoft Teams to phone call or to video call you or to have chats with you. So let us get started. So head over to Microsoft Teams, log into your account by clicking into sign in here. And for this method, guys, you will need to access your account settings here on Microsoft Teams. To do that, click into these three dots in the top right corner next to your user profile icon and select settings. Inside your settings, guys, head over to privacy settings here to the left, and from here simply select, let me just find it, manage who can call you here. So what you want to do is click into that drop down menu here to the right and make sure that only your contacts is selected and not anyone, because if you select anyone will be able to call you. Simply add you by adding your username to the chat and simply start the chat with you or call you through video call, for example. So make sure that you switch to your contacts and that should do it. You don't need to save anything manually here. Simply return to the chat and enjoy this feature. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.